Welcome to the Specialty Products Company tech video for the 40915 Toyota Cam Extractor. Use this press tool to remove stuck OE cam sleeves from Toyota trucks. The extended length forcing screw allows you to remove the sleeve without removing the steering rack. Recommended when installing many replacement Toyota truck cams. Note, in some cases, the tubes may be solidly corroded in place, and even the cam extractor may not be able to break them free. Always follow proper safety precautions associated with all the equipment used in this video. Read the installation instructions thoroughly. Occasionally, while performing an alignment on a Toyota pickup truck, the lower control arm adjusting cams will be corroded and unable to be moved. Replacing the corroded OEM cams with SPC replacement cam bolts can help restore the alignment to factory specifications. Many SPC bolt kits feature a plastic sleeve to eliminate future corrosion. Begin by lifting the vehicle by the frame. Tech tip: it is easier and safer to replace only one control arm bolt at a time. Loosen, then remove the inner control arm bolt. Remove or pry off cam that is attached to the outer cam sleeve. Install the press tool kit in the inner sleeve. Using a ratchet, press the inner sleeve out of the control arm bushing. Remove the press tool, then remove the inner sleeve. The SPC replacement kit will typically consist of 2 nuts and bolts, 2 plastic sleeves, and 4 adjusting cams. Using a post jack, lift the control arm so the bushing inner sleeve matches the slot in the control arm bracket. Assemble a control arm bolt with an adjustment cam and a plastic sleeve. Install the assembled control arm bolt into the control arm, then fit the cam and nut and loosely tighten. Lower vehicle, jounce suspension, and use the cams to adjust alignment to desired settings by turning the bolt. Hold the head of the bolt and tighten the nut to 150 pound-feet to lock the settings. Adjust toe and road test the vehicle. Thank you for watching. For over 40 years, Specialty Products Company has been designing, testing, and manufacturing world-class alignment suspension solutions. For more installation videos, visit us online at www.spc-tv.com.